Hello, here is a word problem. This is an example of a word problem. And the challenge with word problem is being able to move from plain English into algebraic language. How can we solve this problem? We are told that the difference of two numbers is 74. Twice the first and thrice the second sum up to 133. Then we are asked to find the two numbers. Now, since we don't know the two numbers, let us give them variables. So let the numbers be x and y. For example, I've chosen x and y. All right. The first information, their difference. The difference. What's the meaning of difference? All right. Their difference. Their difference is equal to 74. That means x minus y is equal to 74. We can call that equation 1. And then next, twice the first. If we are written in this order, we can take x as the first or we can take y as the first. Whatever choice you make, you will still arrive at the same result. So twice the first, that means that what? Twice means two times. Twice the first and thrice means three times the second. Sum up. Twice the first and thrice the second. Sum up. Sum up means we add to give 133. We can call that equation 2. So we end up with this uh, set of simultaneous equations in terms of x and y to solve. Okay, so if we are unable to transcribe from English language to algebraic language like this, it will not be possible for us to solve this type of question. So we should take note of those words. What's the meaning of difference? What's the meaning of sum? Okay, now this is what we end up with. We have to solve for x and y. Any of the methods are welcome. Elimination method, substitution method, matrix method, graphical method, okay, whichever method. All right, I want to use the substitution method here. So I work from equation 1. From equation 1, when I write like this, it means equation 1, we can see that x minus y is equal to 74. This means that I can make x the subject. It will become y plus 74. I call that star. I can call that star. Okay, because I'm going to come back to it later on. Now, since I've used equation 1, I don't have the right to go back to equation 1. I now have to go to equation 2, and wherever I find x, I replace it with the expression y plus 74. Now in equation 2, I have 2x plus 3y is equal to 133. Wherever I have x, I write that expression y plus 74. So we have 2 into y plus 74 plus 3y is equal to 133. Open out this bracket. 2 multiplied to y is 2y. 2 multiplied to 74 is 148 plus 3y is equal to 133. Okay, we have 2y plus 3y. Since they are like terms, we got 5y plus 148 is equal to 133. Now we subtract 148 from both sides. We're left with 5y is equal to 133 minus 148. Okay, 133 minus 148, that will give us negative 5, 1. That gives us negative 15. So we have 5y is equal to negative 15. Therefore, what is y? If 5y is equal to negative 15, it means if we divide both sides by 5, we're going to get the value of y. The value of y is negative 3. Now, how do we get the value of x? We'll come back to the equation star. This equation star. You see, x is equal to y plus 74. So we'll just come and put the value of y there. It will help us get the value of x. So let's write it up here. So putting y equals negative 3 in star. Our star is what? Our star is x is equal to y plus 74. That means negative 3 plus 74 will give us the value of x. Negative 3 plus 74 is simply 71. Therefore, the value of x is 71, while the value of y is negative 3. So the two values are x is 71 and y is negative 3.